Hey everybody, I want to take a moment here to show you these molds as they come undone. If you saw my last video, I showed how to make a quick, easy cement mix, and these are the two molds that I actually poured the cement mix in. These are the exact same pieces. They've been sitting, so they're cured now, and I just wanted to show you how they come apart. And if you didn't see my last video, just stay to the end of this one. There'll be links to go see it. But I already took the bolts out of these just for the sake of the video for time, so now we're going to remove the shell. We'll start with this one. Now I always underneath kind of pull them apart just to loosen them, and then on stuff with a head that sticks out, I like to start in the back. Just peel it up like that, pull out, and then when there's a head, what I do to make sure I don't break it off is I will go ahead, let me get it off the shell here, and hold a little bit of, put my fingers at the tip here as I peel it up, so I'm putting a little bit of pressure on it, and that way it does not risk pulling the head with a big yank on it. And there you go, beautiful turtle statue. This is actually the very first one I've ever made of this. This is a brand new turtle design I'm going to be introducing. So that one turned out fine, and here's the other turtle that I'm going to be introducing. So again, we'll just kind of loosen it here at the bottom. I'm going to pull it up from the back, and then this one, the head doesn't stick out quite as much, so I'm not as concerned, but I'll still put a little pressure on it, and boom, there you go. Now if you take a good close look at these, you will see there is virtually no air bubbles, flaws whatsoever. At this point, these just need to cure for a couple more days in the sun. They'll lighten up. You can sell them unpainted like that, or with a little bit of paint finish. You can get a much higher price. But that is basically the whole setup for my last video to this one. Super easy to make beautiful statues, whether you do it for a hobby or you want to do it for a business. So until next time, thanks for watching.